bit of give and take. Everybody trying to jockey for position, trying to figure out where do I want my first hit to be. If they make the hit you like, Nick, let them hear it. Oh, left front tire on the 15 tilted right over by the 028X. 001 going in and making a hit, 62 making a hit, 26X making a hit. You have the 028X and the 15 stuck together. We got the number 028X free. The left front tire on that number 15 is just sitting right over. But the right front tire is still moving. We got the count on the number 15. Number 15 is buried right to the subframe over there. .001 making a hit on the 028X. 028X making a hit on the 62. You got action from these kids all over the track. Big hit coming from 26X. We got the number 15 counted out. Oh, big hit from the 62. We are down to 4, down to 4. Oh, big hit from the 26X from the 001. Come on, get out of the corner. You got the 001, 62, 26X and the 028X. Driver's door warning to the 001. Kids are still going down. You have the 26X under the count. Big hit from the 62 on the 028X. Oh! I don't know if the side shot counts in Derby or not. 001 making a hit on the 028X. That back bumper is down in the back seat of the 001. 62 making a hit on the 001. We have the 26X buried to the subframe under the count. 3 cars still moving. Oh, big hit for the 62 on the 001. We have the 28X under the count. Shooting the dirt at Don Turner. We have the 26X under the count. Right now we still have the 62 and the 001 still moving. 001's kind of precariously stuck. We have the 26X finishing in 4th. We have the 028X and the 028X under the count. 001 is under the count. 62 is the only car still moving. Give him a shot and get him to move. Hopefully the 62 didn't just bury themselves under the back bumper. Trying to have some fun. We have the 028X counted out. We have the count on the 001. The 62 went in to try to get the 001 unhung. Black flag falling on the 001. Ladies and gentlemen, that is your youth championship. Let's hear it for them.